ever inserted data into a database only to hit a foreign key constraint error at the worst possible moment? The timing of constraint checks can make or break complex transactions. Immediate constraints are the default behavior. Every time you insert, update, or delete a row, the database immediately validates all foreign key relationships. If something's wrong, you know right away. Deferrable constraints take a different approach. They postpone validation until you commit the entire transaction. During the transaction, your data can temporarily violate constraints, as long as everything's valid by the end. Why would you want deferrable constraints? They solve circular dependency problems. Imagine two tables that reference each other, like employees and departments, where an employee belongs to a department, and a department has a manager who's an employee. With immediate constraints, you can't insert either record first. With deferrable constraints, you insert both rows in the same transaction, and the database validates both at commit time. This is essential for mutual dependencies. There's a performance trade-off to consider. Deferrable constraints can batch validation, which might be faster for bulk operations. But here's the catch. If something's wrong, you won't discover it until commit time. That makes debugging harder because the error is disconnected from the statement that caused it. You lose the immediate feedback that pinpoints exactly which insert or update failed. Postgres gives you fine-grained control. You can declare constraints as deferrable initially immediate, which acts like a normal constraint but can be deferred when needed. Or deferrable initially deferred, which always waits until commit. You can even toggle behavior mid-transaction with set constraints deferred or set constraints immediate. Immediate constraints provide stronger guarantees. Your data is always valid at every point in the transaction, reducing the risk of partial invalid state. Deferrable constraints give you flexibility for complex insertions, but trade immediate error feedback for end-of-transaction validation. Choose immediate for data integrity, deferrable for circular dependencies. Practice more SQL questions at interviewmentor.ai. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.